add another plane. Bring this up just so that it's midway through the platform. Scale it up and then scale it across. We'll go back onto the edit mode. Let's go subdivide, subdivide, subdivide. So we've got this nice little grate system going on here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to, let's see, we'll go to object mode. We'll add modifier, search, wireframe. We're just going to pull this down just a little bit, so maybe about 5 meters. Just across right there. Object mode. So now we've got this nice little grating going on. I'm just going to go ahead and bring this up. Press G, bring it up. So now we've got this nice little grating system going across. So the next thing